Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important grammar topics: active and passive voice. So let's get started. What is voice? Voice in grammar shows whether the subject of a sentence does the action or receives the action. There are two types of voice: active voice and passive voice. Active voice when the subject performs the action. Passive voice when the subject receives the action. Example: active, she writes a letter. Passive, a letter is written by her. Explanation: in the active voice, she's doing the action. In the passive voice, a letter becomes the focus, and the action is received by it. Present tense, active and passive forms. Simple present tense. Active, she writes a letter. Passive, a letter is written by her. Rule: active, subject plus verb, first form plus s or s, plus object. Passive, object plus is, am, a plus verb, third form, plus by plus subject. Present continuous tense. Active, she is writing a letter. Passive, a letter is being written by her. Rule: active, subject plus is, am, are plus verb plus ing plus object. Passive, object plus is, am, are plus being plus verb, third form, plus by plus subject. Present perfect tense. Active, she has written a letter. Passive, a letter has been written by her. Rule: active, subject plus has or have plus verb, third form, plus object. Passive, object plus has or have plus been plus verb, third form, plus by plus subject. Quick practice. Try to change these sentences into passive voice. He reads a book. They are cleaning the room. I have cooked the food. Write your answers in the comments below. I'll check and reply to you there. So, this was the complete explanation of active and passive voice, present tense. In the next video, we'll learn past tense in active and passive voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons. See you in the next class. Bye.